Open carry laws in the United States. An overview by state. The right to bear arms, as enshrined in the Second Amendment of the United States Constitution, has long been a defining and controversial feature of American society. Among the various facets of firearm regulation, open carry, the practice of carrying a firearm openly in public, is one of the most debated. While federal law offers a broad framework, open carry laws are primarily governed at the state level, resulting in a complex and varied legal landscape. This essay explores the open carry policies across all 50 U.S. states, detailing where open carry is permitted, restricted, or prohibited, and highlighting the legal and cultural factors that influence these laws. Understanding open carry. Open carry refers to the act of visibly carrying a firearm in public. This is distinct from concealed carry, where the weapon is hidden from view. Open carry laws typically apply to handguns, though in some cases they also pertain to long guns like rifles or shotguns. States generally fall into three categories regarding open carry. Permissive open carry states. Open carry is legal without a permit. Licensed open carry with permit. States open carry is allowed only with a license or permit. Restricted prohibited states. Open carry is generally prohibited or heavily restricted. States that allow open carry without a permit. As of 2025, more than 30 states allow open carry without a permit, although some place limits on where and how firearms can be carried. First, Alabama. Open carry is permitted without a license for handguns. Some restrictions apply in vehicles in certain locations. Second, Alaska. Open carry is allowed without a permit. Alaska has some of the most permissive gun laws in the nation. Third, Arizona. Arizona allows open carry without a license. The state also has permitless concealed carry. Fourth, Arkansas. Open carry is permitted without a license, though legal interpretation has varied in the past. Colorado. Open carry is legal without a permit, except in Denver, which has local restrictions. 6. Delaware. Open carry is generally legal without a permit, though local restrictions and ambiguity in enforcement exist. 7. Idaho. Open carry is allowed without a permit for anyone 18 and older. 8. Iowa. Open carry is permitted without a license, though some restrictions apply within city limits. 9. Kansas. Open carry is legal without a permit statewide. Decatur, Kentucky. Open carry is allowed without a license for adults. Montmorency, Louisiana. Open carry is legal without a permit for anyone 18 or older. Oneonta, Maine. Open carry is permitted without a permit for both residents and non-residents. 13th, Michigan. Open carry is legal without a permit for those 18 and older. Restrictions apply in some areas. 14th, Mississippi. Open carry is legal without a permit. 15. Missouri. Open carry is allowed without a license. Some local governments can restrict open carry unless a permit is held. Montana, Montana. Open carry is allowed without a permit for anyone 18 or older. 17th, Nebraska. Open carry is legal without a permit. However, Omaha has restrictions requiring a permit for open carry of handguns. On Sequoia, Nevada. Open carry is legal without a permit. Las Vegas and Clark County have some local rules. 19th, New Hampshire. Open carry is permitted without a license for anyone 18 or older. 20. New Mexico. Open carry is legal without a permit statewide. 21st, North Carolina. Open carry is legal without a permit, although local governments may impose some restrictions. 22nd, North Dakota. Open carry is permitted without a license for long guns. For handguns, a permit is needed unless you're in a vehicle and meet specific requirements. 23rd, Ohio. Open carry is legal without a permit. 24. Oklahoma. Open carry is legal without a permit for adults 21 and older. 25th, Oregon. Open carry is legal without a permit, but cities like Portland may impose restrictions. 26, Pennsylvania. Open carry is legal without a permit, except in vehicles or in Philadelphia, where a license is required. 27, South Dakota. Open carry is allowed without a permit. 28, Tennessee. Open carry is legal without a permit for both residents and non-residents. 29th, Texas. Open carry is legal without a permit for handguns, as of recent legislation, provided the firearm is in a holster. 30, Utah. Open carry is legal without a permit. If the firearm is loaded, a permit may be required. 31st, Vermont. Open carry is legal without a permit for anyone legally allowed to possess a firearm. 32nd, Virginia. Open carry is legal without a permit. Some localities have restrictions, particularly in urban areas. 33rd, Washington. Open carry is permitted without a license, though displaying a weapon in a way that causes alarm is prohibited. 34th, West Virginia. Open carry is legal without a permit for adults. 35th, Wisconsin. Open carry is allowed without a license. 36th, Wyoming. Open carry is legal without a permit. States that require a permit or license for open carry. In a handful of states, open carry is allowed only with a valid firearm license or permit. First, Connecticut. Open carry of handguns is legal only with a permit. Open carry in public places can lead to police encounters despite legality. Second, Georgia. Open carry of handguns is allowed only with a weapons carry license. However, recent laws have expanded permitless concealed carry. Third, Hawaii. Open carry is technically legal but highly restricted. Permits are rarely issued, making legal open carry almost non-existent. Quarta, Indiana. Permitless carry was passed recently, allowing open carry without a license for those legally allowed to possess firearms. Eindhoven, Maryland. Open carry is legal only with a permit, which is difficult to obtain. Maryland has strict firearm regulations. 6th, Massachusetts. Open carry of handguns is legal only with a Class A license, and even then, discretion is left to local authorities. 7, Minnesota. Open carry is legal only with a permit to carry. 8, New Jersey. Open carry is legal only with a permit to carry a handgun, and permits are very rarely issued. 9, Rhode Island. Open carry of handguns requires a permit from the local police or attorney general. 10, Carolina. As of recent legislative changes, open carry is legal with a permit. Permitless carry was under discussion as of 2024. States where open carry is generally prohibited. Some states are known for having strict prohibitions or practical bans on open carry due to permit requirements or restrictive policies. First, California. Open carry of handguns is prohibited in most public areas. Even long gun open carry is restricted or banned in many places. Second, Illinois. Open carry is prohibited. Illinois has strict laws and does not issue open carry permits. 3, New York. Open carry of handguns is prohibited. New York has some of the strictest firearm laws in the country. 4, Florida. Until recently, Florida prohibited open carry. However, as of July 1, 2023, permitless concealed carry is allowed, but open carry remains illegal in most situations, with limited exceptions, e.g., while hunting, fishing, or camping. Local variations and exceptions. Even in states where open carry is allowed, local governments may impose stricter regulations. For example, Denver, Colorado bans open carry. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania requires a permit. Portland, Oregon has regulations prohibiting open carry in certain public places. Los Angeles and San Francisco, California have stringent enforcement and local bans. These local laws are often upheld in courts if they do not contradict state constitutions. Open carry of long guns. While this essay focuses primarily on handguns, it's worth noting that open carry laws for long guns, rifles and shotguns, are generally more permissive. Most states do not explicitly ban the open carry of long guns, but public display, especially in urban settings, can lead to law enforcement engagement or charges of brandishing or causing public alarm. Conclusion. The legal landscape of open carry in the United States is a patchwork shaped by historical traditions, cultural attitudes toward firearms, and modern political pressures. A majority of states permit open carry of handguns without a license, reflecting a broader trend toward expanding gun rights. However, several states maintain strict controls, and some prohibit the practice entirely. The debate over open carry laws touches on core questions of public safety, constitutional rights, and cultural identity. As new laws are passed and challenged in courts, the map of open carry states continues to evolve. Whether one views open carry as a symbol of liberty or a public safety concern, understanding the legal status in each state is essential for anyone exercising their Second Amendment rights.